We've been in a drought here in New England for most of the summer, and just in September up in the north New England did it start raining, and with it came the mushrooms. I was inspired, so I built this little grouping of mushrooms. The caps are made out of whale's tooth ivory, and then I stippled the whole surface and dyed it with the walnut tea or juice made from the husks of the walnuts. The underside shows the gills better. And then the stems are made out of fossilized walrus tusk. When this is in the sunlight, the light will shine right through. You know, they tend to look like they're glowing. They're very cool. So I liked how the mushrooms came out, and right from the start, I wanted to put something on it. So I built a beetle out of brown horn. So it's a brown horn beetle. Not really, that's my idea. And then I made little legs out of brass for him. And then it's like, well, it's got to have a really cool base. What am I going to use for a base? Well, it's just like a week before I had been out with a friend. We were metal detecting up at an old homestead, and I found a hemlock knot. They're the last thing to go. They've got so much resin in them that they just don't rot away. And almost like ivory, they're so hard and really fun to carve. It was hard not to carve this one, but it was so pretty in its own right that it just lent itself as a base perfectly. What I did to treat this was I have a wire wheel on an arbor. I hit it hard with that, and it took away all the decayed stuff and left this beautiful little piece of wood. And to show you how pretty it is. But yeah, it's just got, this is like finding a piece of fossilized ivory as far as I'm concerned. It's perfect. My tribute to the mushroom world and the bug world.